In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money Sendwave 2025 step by step. To begin, open the Sendwave app on your phone. Make sure the app is updated and your internet connection is stable so nothing interrupts the process. Log in with your account and complete any quick security check, like a passcode or biometrics. Keep your information private and enter it only inside the app. Once you land on the dashboard, you're ready to start sending. This home screen may display exchange rates, fees, and estimated delivery times based on your location and the destination. Take a moment to look those over so you know exactly what will be received on the other end. Tap recipient to choose who you're sending to. If it's a new person, you'll add their details now. Select payment method to pick how funds should arrive and choose bank transfer for this example. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's full name exactly as it appears on their bank records to avoid delays. Next, enter their mobile number, then retype it to confirm. Include the correct country code and avoid extra spaces or symbols. Double check both entries. A mismatch can cause the transfer to fail or be rejected by the receiving bank. When everything looks correct, save the recipient so you can quickly use these details next time. Continue to send to move forward and review what's on screen. If you haven't added a way to pay yet, you'll be prompted to add a payment method. Select debit or credit card, then carefully enter your card details including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Ensure the name on the card matches your account and that your bank allows international or online transactions if applicable. When asked, enter your billing address, including zip code, city, and state. These must match what your bank has on file or the payment may be declined. Tap Continue to proceed. Now choose the payment method you want to use for this transfer, typically the card you just added. Continue to send again to reach the final review. Here, confirm the recipient's name and number, the amount, any fees, and the estimated arrival time and exchange rate if shown. If everything looks right, tap Confirm Transfer. You may be asked to complete a secure card or bank authentication. Follow the on-screen instructions and keep your codes and credentials private. After confirmation, you'll see a success screen and usually receive a receipt in the app or by email. You can track the status from the dashboard, and your saved recipient and card will make future transfers faster. If anything looks off at any point, pause, verify the details, and try again. That's it. You've successfully sent money with Sendwave.